Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about CLOCIP antifungal powder. Basically, CLOCIP powder is used when you get any kinds of fungal infections on your body such as ringworm, jock itch, athlete's foot, and various other fungal infections. So, there are many other uses of CLOCIP powder. So, we will get to know all those in this video. So, to know the full details about this powder, to know about its benefits, uses and how to use it, then please stay tuned with this video and watch till the end. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, let's get to know about CLOCIP powder. So as I have said before, CLOCIP powder is a medicated powder. It is recommended by doctors also whenever a person has to treat any kind of allergic diseases like skin itchiness, ringworm, contamination, gonorrhea due to heat during summers, and this can be even used for thrush and yeast infections of vagina. You can clearly see all the other benefits given on the package itself. Here it is given: CLOCIP antifungal powder treats skin infection, relieves itching, prevents recurrence of redness, reduces spread of infections. So it's a full cycle skin infection control formulation. So here I have this in 100 grams quantity, which will cost you for 116 rupees. You can easily find this in the pharmacy shop or medical stores near you. So the best part of this powder is that it can be used by everyone, be it whether children, babies, men or women. But do not apply this on your wet or sweated body. Apply this only on your dry skin. It will be more better if you apply this after bathing or on dried skin. Use this powder as a dusting powder on the affected areas twice daily until it is fully gone. So guys, that's it all about my small review of CLOCIP powder. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. So please share this video with your friends so that they can know the right uses of it. So thank you so much for watching. We'll meet you in my next video.